All right. So the way we increase the resolving power of a microscope is by increasing the numerical aperture and by decreasing the wavelength. So the formula is the 2 mu sine alpha divided by lambda, where the numerator is the numerical aperture and the denominator is the wavelength. So if you use a shorter wavelength light to see the biology specimen, you will get a higher resolving power. And if you want to calculate the limit of resolution, the reciprocal of resolving power is the limit of resolution. Do some numericals on resolving power and do some numericals on limit of resolution. Understand numerical aperture properly. Understand the where is the refractive index being used. Understand the cone of light, which is in fact going to decide how much light is gathered. More is the light gathered, more is the resolution power. Thank you.